Good morning. What should we cook today?
Good morning, Mom. Let's make dosa.
Dosa sounds good. Do we have enough batter?
Let me check in the fridge.
Don't forget to check the chutney too.
There's little batter left. Shall I grind some more?
Yes, grind it quickly. Breakfast should be ready by 8.
Okay. Where is the grinder jar?
On the top shelf, near the mixer.
Found it. Shall I add water now?
Add little by little, not too much.
The batter looks perfect now.
Great! Heat the pan on medium flame.
Should I use oil or ghee?
Use a little ghee, it tastes better.
The first dosa always sticks.
That's because the pan is not hot enough.
Now it's turning golden brown.
Perfect. Fold it gently.
Done. Want to taste it first?
Sure. It's delicious.
Thanks. I learned from you, Mom.
That's my boy. Now make one more for Dad.
Okay, he likes crispy dosa.
Then keep it on the pan a little longer.
Got it. It's extra crispy now.
Perfect. Let's serve with coconut chutney.
Breakfast ready.
You did a great job today.
Thank you, Mom. Cooking is fun with you.
It's almost noon. Shall we start lunch?
Yes, Mom. What are we cooking today?
I'm thinking of making rice, dal, and potato curry.
Yum. I'll wash the rice.
Don't forget to soak the dal too.
Okay, how much water should I add?
For dal, 2 cups of water is enough.
Done. Should I chop the onions next?
Yes. And cut the tomatoes too.
The knife is not sharp enough.
Use the new one from the drawer.
Oh, this one cuts perfectly.
Great. Put the pan on the stove now.
Should I pour oil?
Yes, 2 spoons will be enough.
Oil is hot. Shall I add mustard seeds?
Yes, and add curry leaves too.
It's spluttering. Smells so good.
Now add onions and fry till golden.
They're turning brown now.
Add tomatoes and a pinch of salt.
The gravy looks rich already.
Add boiled potatoes and mix gently.
Done. It looks delicious.
Cover it and cook for 5 minutes.
Meanwhile, I'll set the table.
Good idea. Don't forget spoons and water.
All ready, Mom. Shall I serve?
Yes. Let's eat together.
I love our kitchen time.
The evening breeze feels so nice.
Yes, it's the best time to relax.
Can we play a game together?
Sure. What do you want to play?
Let's play caroms.
I'll make some tea and snacks first.
Yeah. I'll set up the carom board.
Don't forget the striker this time.
Got it. I also brought the coins.
Tea is almost ready.
The board is set. Who will play first?
I'll start with the white coins.
Then I'll take the black ones.
Here comes your tea and biscuits.
Wow, the aroma is amazing.
Okay, my first shot. And it's a hit.
Hey, that was luck, not skill.
Don't fight. It's just a game.
Now it's my turn. Watch this.
Oh! You pocketed 2 coins.
Not fair. He's too good at this.
Time for samosas.
Yeah. Evening snacks make everything better.
Let's take a short break and eat.
These samosas are super crispy.
I made them fresh just now.
Let's play one more round after eating.
Agreed. This time, I'll win for sure.
We'll see, Dad. Get ready to lose.
Family evenings like this are the best. It's getting late. Everyone go get ready for bed.
Yes, it was a long day.
I brushed my teeth already.
I'm still watching a video, Mom.
Turn it off and sleep now. Eyes need rest.
Listen to your mom, it's bedtime.
Okay, 5 more minutes please.
Every day you say the same thing.
Can I write a storybook before sleeping?
Sure, just one short story.
Reading helps you sleep better.
I want to listen to.
Okay, I'll read it aloud. Once upon a time, there was a small bird.
That's a nice story choice.
Shh. I want to hear what happens next.
And the bird learned to fly high.
Wonderful story, full of hope.
Okay, story time is over. Now lights off.
Can we keep the night lamp on?
Yes, just dim it a little.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, my dear. Sleep well.
Sweet dreams, kids.
Good night everyone.
Mom, can you tell one more story tomorrow?
Of course. Tomorrow night again.
Okay, no talking now. Time to sleep.
I'm already sleepy.
Good night, my family. Love you all.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.